Floor. It's dark. Ayun. Going inside one of the bedrooms. No lights again. Spacious. Very spacious. Built-in cabinets. And this toilet. So this room has a toilet and bath with a bathtub. Then get inside. Ate, pwede bang buksan ito? Another bedroom. And another for built-in cabinet. And the toilet and bath. And bathtub.
Ano yung ceiling na? Wooden yun o paper lang? Paper
yan.
Wallpaper? Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Kasi yung wood po.
Ay, guys, hindi kami na.
Wow.
Wood po.
Din yan din wallpaper. Ayan po.
Ayan.
Talagang wood yan?
Wallpaper to na.
Ayan po. Oo, wallpaper. Wood. Ito.
Wallpaper. Wall. And another bedroom.
Ano yung master?
Hindi.
Ito po yung master.
It's the third bedroom. A bit of cabinets. It serves temporarily as there. Utilities rooms. Then you go to first bedroom in the basement. You have the toilet and bath. Ang lahat ng kwarto sa itaas may toilet and bath. Tapos may bathtub ata. Bathtub yung nakita ko. Tapos dito sa ilalim merong isang toilet and bath pero napakalaki.
Napakalaki. Tama. Napakalaki.
Tapos dito. Pwede po.
Ano yan? Bodega lang.
This is the second bedroom here.
Pero ang kwarto yan.
The basement.
Tsaka yun din, no? Madulong.
Then, there's another bedroom. Ate, may ilaw ba dito?
Sige. Para makita lang niya.
Bakit ako sa video? It's another bedroom here. Oh, very spacious bedroom.
Wow. Binad-minad yung kama. Big bedroom.
Kalaguna naman.
Big bedroom.
Ceiling. Yes.
Parang isang bahay na siya.
Yes, there's another
Isang bahay.
huge house at the basement.
May sariling kitchen.
Oo.
Sala.
May kitchen, may sala. This is the exit of the basement.